Another great day at Augusta Airsoft. Big thanks to Bo for having a great place for everyone to come and play some airsoft, and congrats on an awesome 2 years. These first few clips, you capture the briefcase and take it back to your starting point to win.
Over on the in the woods.
This is a force-on-force match where you have to grab the box and take it to the enemy's base to win.
Hit! Shot.
Me and my brother take a quick run around the back of Badgerville, hopefully causing a distraction so our team can take the box to the objective. This is the beginning of my first experience in zombie cave.
Gas mag? Negative. Oh no.
You better run! got him.
Right after I picked up the dentist, zombies came chasing us through the pines, scattering my team everywhere, and only a few of us made it back together.
Oh shit.
After being chased many times, we decided to hit the trenches to regroup. We took out another team and they quickly joined us to help defend against the zombies coming up from behind us.
Oh.
Careful, careful, careful. No, I lost my leg. Sorry. I didn't put a bayonet to the head. Promise I didn't do it on purpose.
That was a good trick play right there.
Oh, hit. Nice shot. Nice shot. Everybody in the trench is dead.
Matt and I made a great team running from zombies and
first
defending
chase,
ourselves
where we-
from other enemies.
Hey, if I do this, everybody just lay down. If I just do this. Oh, he can hit. There's the bike. Where you got him?
No, this guy's been held cheaper.
He can do anybody. He's done. He's done. He's done. Hey, can you heal him up? Yeah. I think they're all dead. I'm gonna heal this. Hit. Hit.
Thanks for watching. Please check out my YouTube channel, The Scout, and spread the fun Airsoft brings.